Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Saturday, May 29th, 1999, 8 am. The medium asks, is life on other planets as hard as here? It all depends on the way you have traversed. You go through periods of rest after each incarnation. They enable you to review your evolution as well as what you have achieved against your initial program. We will not give more details on the question raised. Your free will often makes you go off track. You have very good intentions before, but often there is such a waste afterwards. By deviating from what had to be, you call into question your evolution plan. One has to start all over again so many times. Some people do not depart from the initial line and advance much more quickly, which makes us happy. Your failings are so deeply rooted in you that it is difficult for you to depart from them. This is why we insist. We revert to the same subjects all the time, at the risk of bothering you. But you should understand well that we do not delight in criticizing your behavior. We love you. We are touched by your complaints and your desire to advance. But you so often behave like children who always do the same silly things and who do not want to recognize it. What can we do about it? You do not like to be criticized. Your ego does not stand them, and yet you would like to become saints. We try to give you the directions for use. It's up to you to consider. You must help us a minimum in our work. Even a high level master cannot bring you to perfection by waving a magic wand. It's up to you to put in enough efforts. We will do the remainder. In that, like elsewhere, nothing is obtained without effort. Help us to make of you heroes, freed from any hindrance and ready to soar towards sublime summits. Babuji Maharaj. Saturday, May 29th, 1999, 10 am. You see, my daughter, you have received positive echoes about these messages. You are putting in more and more efforts by reserving your energy for us. We support you as much as we can. Make sure that you are provided more and more assistance. We know that you do not like asking, but you must make an effort on this. You should have been accustomed to this for 30 years now, and the future may force you to do more in this area. Good souls will be inspired to surround you so that you can keep doing for us for as long time as possible what you are doing in this moment listening to us. The medium says, Babuji, I would like to be always in contact with you. This only depends on you. Detach yourself more and more from worldly things which are not essential in your material life. The medium says, keep me close to your heart. I feel like a poor small thing which needs your life to exist. We give to the poor small thing that which it needs on a daily basis, as one waters the plant exactly what is needed, neither too much nor too little, so that it is well. Are you satisfied to know that the great gardener takes care of his plant and that he observes it with love? The medium says, I have the blues. I need you so desperately. You are the air I breathe, and which which makes me live. With all my soul, I thank you, Babuji, and you, my masters. Write all this. By reading it, your brothers and sisters will perhaps feel the state of grace you were in, and they will benefit from it. Babuji.